If you have an older fridge like mine, you might find that you have a lot of wasted space in this whole area up here. Obviously, I mean, what are you going to do with that? You end up with this jumbled mess down here. Even a little tray like that isn't quite enough. So I found this in my garage, and it looks like it was probably for another kind of fridge with maybe solid shelves with this, but I'm going to remove that section right there, and I'm going to show you how to attach it very simply and cheaply up here using just some zip ties. I need some bolt cutters, some side cutters like that, and then I'm going to use black zip ties just to show you for this, but you can get clear ones so that they don't show as much in there. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut this right here with using the bolt cutters and take that off. Alright, and there we have it. Pretty simple, pretty easy. If you notice, I made sure to put it in between those slats so that it's tucked down into there. Turn all the tabs down, and that way stuff will slide easily onto there. And then I can put everything back in my fridge like so, and much more organized. I've found several different sizes of these little shelves. I mean, you can get creative with it. And yeah, just an example of, you know, turning something that otherwise might be junk or you just don't know what to do with, and then just taking a second and you're just like, okay, well, there, I could do this real quick, and look, all it took was 5 zip ties and what, 5-10 minutes. So very easy stuff. So I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and share.